this few. Where are you? Yes, this is a very good morning. Yeah. Why? This is a very good morning. Nataka tuende na wewe. Tuende. Tukatembee na wewe. But as we tembea na wewe, nataka tujiulize mambo mawili matatu. Kwanza, maisha imekuwa ngumu kabisa. Pesa hakuna. You find that at the end of the day, even what you need to get for free, it is not possible. Pesa ina contribute mambo mingi sana. You go to a home, the husband is not talking to the wife is not talking to the husband, the children wako stressed, vitu zao hazipatikani. Ai, ikajua kananichoma. Usijali, tutaenda tu. So naye haya. Now when now it comes to matter maintaining hope, gutire mundu uraikara muci wega. Meci ni itiganirwo. Muthuri angikorwo matirari na mutumia ri, will they even be happy how they are supposed to be happy? No. Matikuruta wira wao, na wira wao it is part of therapy. They won't. Now the big question is, what are we going to do? Or you rather, what are you going to do? I'm going to share with you personally what I'm doing. I realized that happiness is about myself. Happiness is about how much I get my own happiness from my within. So, even now that things are tough, I just tell myself, Kagure, remember, you love yourself. Must you be loved by someone? No. Must you be understood by someone? No. Must you be provided by someone? No. And everything, it's about myself. Now, when it comes to matters, finances, hakuna pesa unapatiwa kwa nyumba, na hata ukipatiwa haitoshi. Now, one of my friends told me that she has left the husband because he's not providing anymore. But that is basically not the solution. The solution is, what can you do as a person? And above all, there is something that we always forget, that there is a God who knows our end from the beginning. Have you ever known, has it ever come to your realization that your life is not starting now? Your life was started long time ago. So God knows, and what was expected of you anajua. Right? Ati Mungu anajua. So, economy ikue mbaya, economy ikue nini, God has planned our lives. And all what we need to do is to revitalize, is to remember, to keep on remembering that our lives haizianzi leo. Na mwenye hizo lives ako. It doesn't matter ama ni mwezi gani, ama ni uchumi gani, ama ni nini. No. God will always forever be faithful. Na kwa hivyo, we don't need to get worried. Wewe mama, ati mzee hana pesa. Ni bwana mwingine mgani mpoa kuliko Jesus Christ? Ni bwana mgani mzuri? Ni bwana mgani anaweza kukuprovide 100% kama Mungu? Trust God, because if God does not provide for your husband, hawezi pata cha kukupatia. Kwa hivyo, wacha kutegemea mwenye kupatiwa. Hata wewe, you can first hand get that money, get that wealth, and you be giving that man. Why? Yeah, that's the reality. Wewe na yeye belongs to one God. So it's just about you realizing your position in God and going for it, right? Amuka unjue venye watu hawaombi ndio nitaomba. Nitakuwa naamka usiku. I will cling to God because he's the only faithful one. He's the only one who knows who you are, loves you with all your weaknesses, knows your needs, and has prepared, and is also in preparation for your needs. Then why should we keep on getting bothered? It's not easy, but by the grace of God, we are able to realize that, right? We are able to realize that the fact that God is forever faithful and he will always provide. When you get used to that, nothing bothers you. Can you imagine? Hakuna mtu anaweza kukupatia vitu zote. Kila mtu atakuja anakupimia. Unaitisha mzee tu pesa, anakuuliza unahitaji gapi. God knows how much you need. Oh, hizi jams. God knows what you need. Na anakupatia equal. So it's the high time to realize that it's not about the economy. It's not about anything. It's about our God. Mungu alikuwa anajua economy itakuwa aje, na alikuwa anajua itakuwa aje kwako. Mko wapi watu wangu? Mko wapi? Mko wapi? Because if we do not talk to each other, sasa tutaisha na mambo itakuwa mabaya. So I'm telling you today to wake up, energize yourself, jiite kama mkutano, ujiulize wewe unategemea nani? Ukijiita yako kama mkutano, God will automatically realize that you are wrong. Kuweka hope yako kwa watu. Your hope lazima ikuwe na God. Thank you sana. Wewe tuko na wewe. Umeenda wapi tena? Kuja. Or you tell me whether it is true or not. Make a comment. Right? Like. Na pia endeleeni kusubscribe kwa YouTube channel yangu. I'm telling you, it's never easy. And na hakuna job yenye iko sawa. Everyone is about struggling. You look at someone, you think that person is ako sawa. Akakupatia venye anapitia. Unajiuliza, oh, what nini ilikuwa inanisumbua? So all along, wake up, forget about everything and everyone, focus on God. Then after that, you realize that things have started sorting themselves and you are already there. Thank you, and may God bless you.